Do this to get white teeth and boost your confidence. Consider having an event in which you have to present to a large population. You find out that your teeth are yellowish. You try to brush but nothing, to no avail. Your colleague on the other hand has teeth as white as snow. Having a clean set of white teeth does a lot to your positivity and to your confidence. Teeth could be tedious in maintaining. Stains come up and do not disappear no matter how much you brush. There are certain ways, however, that you could use to get your teeth shining. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos, and also click the like button. If you've done that, now let's head on. 1. Combining baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for brushing would give you a great set of white teeth. 2. Another means of getting white teeth is through oil pulling. Mixing olive oil or coconut oil in the mouth for several minutes removes harmful bacteria and leaves your teeth shining. This works well in the morning after eating or drinking. 3. Fruit and vegetable peels are also an excellent means of getting white teeth. Brushing with orange peels is an example. Eating raw vegetables like carrots and kale also help in removing stains. 4. Lemon juice and baking soda mixed into a paste and applied on your teeth also do the trick. Apply to your teeth and rinse off after a minute. Wash with toothpaste if you choose to. That's about it. These simple hacks would give you a glamorous set of white teeth and get you a dope smile. No chemicals involved, no grand expenditure required. Just follow these steps and you would be set for a great smile. If you enjoyed this piece, like and subscribe for more. Also click the notification button to get alerts on newer content.